A few weeks ago I took my handlebars off to do another job, and when I refitted them I didn't realise, but I put a couple of these caps in upside down. They're the wrong way up, and it's caused the handlebars to wobble a bit. I don't know how well I can show you. You see we've got a bit of movement in there. And I thought, I've got to take them off again anyway. I might as well replace the metalastic bushes that go through there, because they are about 47 years old. So we'll get that done today. What I'm going to do, I'm going to drop the headlight off. I will disconnect the clutch cable, and then we can undo the P-clamps underneath and just lift the bars up in one hit, and hopefully I don't have to disconnect anything else. So I'll get that done off camera. 5 minutes later. Right, I've dropped the speedo and the tacho off as well, just to give me a bit of room around here. Next thing, 9/16 spanner. On there, is it 9/16? Yeah, it is 9/16, but I've got a 5/8 in my hand. Idiot boy. Alright, I moved you away from the wibbly wobbly camera position so we can get him out. There we go. Alright, that's not going anywhere. Right, these bushes are a little bit worn. Let me show you. When you look here, the gap here and there, there's quite a bit of difference on that. Same with that one there. Let's get me tool in. See if we can get them out.
Where's your tool? What fucking tool?
Oh, and I forgot to mention as well, take note of the position of the bushes as well. These are flush with the top of the yoke. Right, I might struggle with this tool. I'll stick a link up to the video I did of making it, because the centres are slightly out of line. But we shall try it, shall we? Go in. That's one out. Yeah, they are very worn. Let's go for the action shot, shall we? I'm just topping it. Push it that way a bit. Yeah, because the bush was slightly out of line, the centre was slightly out, it was just catching the top of the yoke. But we're going now. Right, the holes feel okay. What we'll do, we'll just give them a quick breathe there, just a bit of a taper on the top. Just help us get the new bushes in a bit easier. I'll give them a clean out with a bit of solvent as well. 1 minute later. Right, let's have a go at getting the new ones in. I did have to dress up my tool a little bit round there because it did burr out slightly, so next time I may try hardening it. That might work. So, bush in. Let's get that lined up if we can. So should we look in a little bit more? I think we might be alright there. A tiny bit more. There's one done. A little bit more. That'll do us. So you're no pissing around putting stuff in freezers or anything like that, they just go straight in. Right, that's one of my original top bushes. You can see it's pretty well worn in there. We've got the new ones, they come in 3 pieces, an inner piece, a little inner ring. I can get it right in there. Without pinging it on the floor. That then sits in there like that. Lovely jubbly. And then we have a little comb washer there. That sits pointing down onto that. So it's pushing on the inner piece. That one on there. Those sit facing upwards on the bars, on the P-clamps. And then hopefully we can get the P-clamps back into position. Without dropping everything. What's holding that there? Something's holding me. It's a bit of a faff. There we go. There we go. There we go. And then we can get the nuts on underneath. Right, bear in mind there is a steering lock clamp there, so it's easier just to move the bars that way. And then this one we put the wedge washer with a wedgie bit facing upwards, facing. There's one on. Get the other one on. Well, it definitely feels better. I'll get the rest of it put back together.
15 minutes later.
So there we are, the new bush is fitted. It's been a bit tighter, which is good. I'm happy with that. You can't see me wobbling it, you just see the handlebars wobbling. I will go out for a ride and have a good shakedown run as well, so let it bed in a little bit. To get in and tighten them up from underneath, use a long reach 9/16 and a knuckle bar. Use the old multi-point sockets, helps you get it on a bit easier. Hope this has helped. Thanks for watching.